I've got a little bit of company with me today, and I'll have you know I had to go out to the outhouse and get him a little blanket to lay on. That's how spoiled he is. Anyway, I'm pottering about outside today in the polytunnel, just doing a few bits and pieces really, a bit of potting up, and I'm just going to do some beetroot, but I'll show you some more in a bit. Hi YouTube family. Well, I've been busy over the last few days. I've had to have a couple of days off gardening actually, but anyway, I've done a bit of mowing. That's my first little cut of grass over this sort of time of the year. I've got my potatoes out in the sacks. The end two rows are the main crop. And I've got a second early there, and early's in the first row. All I did for this bed, I haven't quite finished it yet, but I'll show you. I collected a few logs, put them around the end, you can see, and made a huge sort of bed. And I've got to cover the rest with chip, but I thought it would give the bags a bit of drainage underneath, and plus it would be another area I wouldn't have to mow, keep on top of really. So that's great. Over here in these two big bags I've planted some carrots, only the last couple of days, so there's nothing come up yet, and I've put them on top of this piece of old frame from a IBC tank, just to keep them off the ground, because apparently you don't get carrot fly if they're off the ground, but I don't know for sure, but I'm trying it anyway, and to see what happens. I'll take you in the polytunnel. I've had a little helper today, as you saw earlier. I posted a little thing, but he follows me around everywhere, look. Anyway, I've been in here today doing a bit of potting. In that one there, it's some autumn greens, cabbages. I've done them today. What's in these ones? Oh, there's summer cabbages in that one. Summer cabbages. What's in this one? Cucumber. These are the ones I've just done. And what's this one? Swede. So swede in that end. In these little trays at the back here, I've just taken the lids off because they seem to be taking a long time. They're parsnips in there. The lupins have come out really well, look. They're looking great. I've got another bunch of them up above in the racking. Here's the kale. So my next job really is to put a bit of top dressing on these beds. That one, and that one, and probably put some hoops around it for some of the old netting to stop the bugs, and put some of these young plants in. What are these? I don't know what these are. Cabbage. These are more cabbage. These are little beetroots that have just come up and coming up. These are some cuttings that I took from the fruit bushes. Some red currant and blueberry. That's it, blueberry. What's that one? I can't remember half of them, but anyway, I took a cutting off of some of the fruit bushes. There's a few things in here that I want to get out and get growing in the ground. That's these. Cauliflower. Yeah, I need to take them out now and get them in the ground. These in this little pot here, these are cuttings that I took from the pinks. So they'd be quite good. Everything's growing really well, really pleased. It's like a really busy time now, isn't it, when you got to get on with things. Leeks, comfrey as well, same, doing well. And here, I'll show you. This pot here is another type of beetroot, Monenta, which I just trod on, nearly tipped it over. So that's there. And as you can see, since I saw you last, I put a wood chip down in here. Looks lovely in here, it really is. Tidied it up a bit, and it smells, all you can smell is that lovely wood smell when you come in here. My little wind chime going off up there. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing really. Catching up on some seeds, and I need to be doing quite a few jobs outside. Getting on with it. Let's see. That area over there, I probably showed you before, but it's really getting long, the grass, so I have to get the strimmer on that. Of course, the builder's been back and put the tap in a different place, because we did have a water softening machine put in. So, jobs for tomorrow, probably put some more chip on that bed down there. And what I shall do in that bit that's not filled in, I'll, well, when it's filled in, I've got some black sacks sort of similar to that I'll grow the tomatoes and put them on there, I think. And that'll be good. The donkeys are down there. I don't know if I can zoom in very well, but they're having a little snooze. They roll in that mud. It's quite nice to get a bit of mild weather for them. And so they're enjoying themselves. And the hens are great. I've got some, let's walk down there. These old hen cages up here. There's a lady locally that hatches little hens, so I'm going to get some hatching eggs and hatch them myself. They'll be Peking bantams, lavender ones, so I look forward to that. I've got a little hatcher in the outhouse, and so I'll share that with you when I get them. We candle them after a couple of weeks and see if we got any fertile ones. Hello, girls. Oh, you come up to see me. She's flown right up, look. Hey. Hey. Oh, and the other one, look, I let them out yesterday. That's what it is. I let them all out. Get in. Come on, you can't come out today. I let them all out for a couple of hours yesterday. I had to have a scratch around. And I think they thought they were coming out again. She looked like she's molting a bit, that one. They loved it. They were scratching and going. Actually, there's a big perch. I'll show you. On the back of here. There's a big branch there. They were all sitting on that. So cute. Anyway, that's it really. I've got lots to do, lots to catch up on, and I'll do a few more videos. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded that much. Been having to sort my health out a bit, and so that's been priority, but back on track now. This is the water pipe that I've got to make all the cloches all the way down here. I'm going to top dress all these with nice soil. Basically I just filled it with, that's supposed to be topsoil, but it's not great, and it's been ever so wet, so I should do that as well, fill up these. I've got this end one here, it's empty still, and that one to fill up. I'll use a little tractor and trailer. Another one there I want to build a bit higher, and over the back there's one that I got to sort out, and that won't take long. Hey Grace, she's a lovely girl. She's a lovely girl. Yeah. Hey. Hey. And Tilly. You're both beautiful. Yes, you are. You're both beautiful. Take care, everyone. For now. Bye.